megu whitman hindi ya kigomano gia ugai wa mahinya na kiria gitabanio kule mucini kana county ya Uasin Gishu mucini wa Eldoret. Atongoria matiganite no magithiete na mbere na gukumithia kana miario ya mutongoria uyu Raila Odinga wa ica ikuhi kana akiri ni mutongoria wa aria aingi mbungeini ya gibururi-ini Kimani Ichungwa na uria uugite ati ni kieha kinene kuona atongoria a gikiro ta giki gukorwo magiukirira na gukumithia atongoria kuma mabururi mangi. Akwaragia ari kaunti-ini ya Githii itura-ini ria Nyanturago kuria gikoretwo akiumagaria mutongoria wa bururi igongona-ini ria hamwe ria gucokia ngatho.
Ningemuuliza kwa heshima gavana, sababu former prime minister ndiye kiongozi wako, pia mwambie akubali alishindwa, sababu akikubali hata kuwa na nafasi ya kuwazomea mabalozi wa nchi marafiki wetu wakisema ukweli ule ukweli tu unasema hapa ya kuwa rais na Kenya Kwanza walishinda uchaguzi, and that is the truth. Because when we socialize ourselves with the truth, there is peace in the country, there is peace within us, and there is even peace in heaven. And I want to appeal to our friends, those that competed with you, Your Excellency. We have seen a very unfortunate incident where leaders are lecturing our diplomatic community. And it is sad when leaders who hold offices, leading parties in our country, lecture our diplomatic community on the basis of issues that they know are true. And we are fortunate, Your Excellency, and I want to encourage you, there is nothing, absolutely nothing neo-colonialist with a friendly nation speaking not just for her country, but also speaking for the host country where she's serving her country. There is absolutely nothing neo-colonialist about an ambassador speaking to her investors back in the country where they come from, to come and invest in our country here, so that we are able to value add on the bananas that are being grown by farmers in Kisii. It is those investors from the United States who will come together with those from China and other countries who will come and invest in this country and create job opportunities for our young people.
Nake mutongoria wa bururi niwe Ndagitari William Ruto ni akiugite ati ndakire na thina o wothe na mwahu wa